Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Eazy Flyers Cartoon Edition, which launches on the 26th of June at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this new release by Shelley Penny and Tony Earp. And it is essentially a product that taps into what's very lucrative at the moment, the print-on-demand sector. Now, it's very, very easy at the moment to make money doing print-on-demand, and it's also very easy to make money outsourcing stuff like this, like graphic design stuff on Fiverr. So what this product is going to do is to enable you to easily create really attractive, retro-looking, sort of cartoony flyers that you can either sell directly as a print-on-demand, and with one of the upsells, you can even create your own store to do that. So everything is done for you. Or you can outsource your services to produce these graphics for people on Fiverr. Now you can very easily do that because this is super simple. It doesn't involve using anything other than PowerPoint to create these and to edit them. Yeah, so it's actually a really good way of creating an extra income niche for you. I keep going on this year in my group, the Elite Tigers group, about how important it is to diversify and open as many different income streams as possible, preferably away from the make money online niche. And this is an easy way to do that in a really safe sector in terms of payment processor problems and all that sort of thing that's likely to potentially cause problems. So this is a really good niche to get into, a really safe niche, and I recommend that you have a serious look at this product, folks. Yeah. So I'm also going to go through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Eazy Flyers Cartoon Edition from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 of them, and you can get them if you click on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point I'm afraid they'll be withdrawn. Now, I don't want that to happen, folks, yeah, because these are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. You'll also be getting an incredible set of bonuses from the vendors, and I'll go through those separately because they've actually put together an incredible pack. But my custom bonuses will also enable you to take things further with this product than you would be able to otherwise. Now, having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Eazy Flyers Cartoon Edition, because, of course, you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realise that my bonuses are a bit special and way different to what anyone else is offering. So let us have a look in depth at this product. So as I said, it's the cartoon edition. It's the latest in a series of graphics releases from Shelley and the team. In 2019, plain boring old local business marketing materials just do not cut it. Today, for cents each, you can grab 70 high-quality, amazing local business flyer designs in 70 different niches, which you can sell to local businesses and make dollars. From today, you too can create quality local biz marketing flyers the quick and very easy to edit way. And this sales video here is also over on my bonus page, so you can watch it whatever you like, but I do recommend that you watch the sales video. It's just loading now. You don't need any design skills with this. No Photoshop experience is required, and you can easily edit these flyers just using Microsoft PowerPoint. Yeah, nothing else. And there's just some examples of what people are charging on Fiverr currently for doing exactly this. So you can see 30s, 35s, 15s at the absolute cheapest. So it's very easy to make money on Fiverr using this method. All right, so we'll come back to this sales page in just a moment, but let's head over to my bonus page. So when you land on this page, you will come to this video that I'm just recording now. What you get with this product is 70 brand new pro quality local business cartoon flyers. You get both 8.5 and 11. Sorry, you get both 8.5 by 11 letter size and also A4 size. You can easily edit them with PowerPoint. All images and fonts are included, and there's absolutely no design skills or Photoshop experience required. Yeah. So these are the bonuses that I'm going to include if you pick up this from my link. So the first thing is this Fiverr Ultimate 3-hour Masterclass. So this will show you exactly how you can succeed on Fiverr with this product by outsourcing it. Yeah. And what you will discover in particular is how to get your gigs listed so that they appear at the top of searches to make sure that you get lots of work from Fiverr. But as I said, it goes, as you'd imagine, with a 3-hour masterclass, it goes into much more detail than that. And if you're completely new to the outsourcing platform Fiverr, then this will be a great introduction for you as well. I'm also going to include this other course, Printly by Ike Paz, which is teaching you another method of how to make money from print-on-demand products. Again, it's another very different course, giving you slightly different angles, but again, it shows you the way that you can exploit this very lucrative market. The next one I'm going to include, whatever you're doing, you need traffic to your links and pages. So I'm including 4 free website traffic super hacks, all new for 2019, these methods, and all currently working. The fourth bonus that I'm giving, it's slightly different to print on demand, but it's a similar concept. 5K Publishing Paydays was a course by Brendan Mace, which shows you how to make money by selling info products comprising short ebooks that you haven't written yourself on Kindle. So this is another method for you. And finally, again, a variation on a theme, a little bit different this one, but for those that like print on demand or like e-commerce-y type stuff, this Raycon system is actually tapping into the huge potential at the moment for selling vintage clothing online on eBay. Yeah, and I think it's a really unusual sort of left field method that you will really like. So I've included this because I think that it will appeal to people that are interested in this product. So as you can see there, folks, there are 5 high-quality custom bonuses that you won't see anywhere else that I'm throwing in with this product. So let's head back over to the main page here. So you're the designer. You can turn yourself into an experienced designer in just a few minutes. You can save yourself lots of money and the hassle of outsourcing your design work. No more waiting for designers to deliver your work ever again. So I'm going to let you read the sales page yourself, folks, but it tells you a little bit about the issues with getting stuff done. And what you see here is some examples of the flyers themselves. So this one is an accident-related law firm, and you can click on any of these, and you can see the thing will load up. So let's just have a look here. So this one is Bad Credit Loan Service. Let's just click on a couple more. There's a dance studio there. Learn the Art of Freedom. Obviously, you can completely customize and edit these any way you want. TV repair. Do people still have their TVs repaired? I suppose they do. Never get time to watch anything these days apart from the news. Let's have a look here. Paint Man. There you go. I'll let you have a play around with those, folks. Obviously, part of the fun is going through and looking at all of these. But you can see that you can easily edit these. Again, go on Fiverr and just to get one of these designed, will cost you between $10 and $25, and you'll have all of these 70 templates that you can offer your services for. Yeah, and of course you've got the commercial rights, so you can sell these on. So fast action bonuses. So these are the ordinary bonuses, and then there's an extra pack that the vendor's given me to give to you. So normal fast action bonuses, Logo Studio for an ocean of graphics, and Logo Biz, striking collection of 200 plus pro level logos, and bonus 3 Logo Biz, another version of Logo Biz, so with some extra stuff. All right. terms of pricing, this is going to be 17, I believe, on the front end. Let's just go and have a quick look at the, $17, folks, for the front end of this product. We will go through the rest of the funnel in a minute. I just wanted to show you a couple of things. So this is an example of the store that you can have with one of the upsells that I'm about to show you in a minute. So you can have your own storefront designed that will look something like this, where you can show all of these different graphics that you can sell, and then people just click on them to order. Here are your flyers. So this is like if you want something like this for yourself, this is really, really worth having, folks. So I'm going to recommend highly that you take the upsell that involves this done for you option. But let's have a look at the rest of the funnel. So the first upsell is another 50 pro quality local business cartoon edition flyers and some bonuses. That's $27. I haven't shown you the vendors bonuses yet, by the way. I'm going to come on to those in a minute. There's also an option to take that first upsell without the bonuses for $17. The second upsell is a bundle of 120 pro quality local business flyers. So that one is $37. The third upsell is another bundle of 120, and again, that's $37. And then this fourth upsell is what I was just showing you. So this is the theme for your own store, That WordPress theme is only $27, right? So that is actually a really good deal. And then the final upsell is a huge bundle of 152 completely different pro quality flyers, and they are $37. If you're intending to use this to outsource on Fiverr, which I certainly recommend that you do, then I would look to get as many of these as you can. So let me go through these custom bonuses, because they're incredible. Sorry, the vendors bonuses that Shelley and Tony have given me to give to you, because there's absolutely stacks of them. Now, to get these, when you go to the members area at Warrior Plus, what you will actually get when you click on the bonus link is my custom bonuses, all right? So you will need to claim these separately from me, and I'll send you a link to another download page where you can download all of this stuff, So you just need to send me an email. All you need to put as a subject line is vendors bonuses, all right? That's all, just vendors bonuses, and just send me a copy of your receipt. You don't need to do anything else, and I will send them back to you. So the email address to send to is contact@elitetigersgroup.org, all right? So that's contact@elite, ELITE, Tigers Group, elitetigersgroup.org, contact@elitetigersgroup.org. Just put the subject line vendors bonuses, include your receipt, and I will send you back by return all of this stuff, which is amazing. So you've got all of these WordPress plugins, Volume 1 here, you've got Members Pro, Social Boost, Lead Gen Pro. If you want to pause this and have a look at it, do, because it's almost too much for me to go through. But you've got all of these different plugins. WSO Graphics Editor, I'm not going to read them all out because there's just too many. IM Plugin Pro, all of this is included, folks. Volume 3, Facebook Survey, WP Flash Pages, WP Shortcode, all of this. WP Viral Page in Volume 4, WP Media Remix, WP Question Opt-in. It's a crazy amount of bonuses. Another bonus, Video Script Software App. Another bonus, Facebook Essential Training by a Udemy instructor. Bonus 4, Fast Funnel Builder, ready to go lead magnets. Bonus 5, SEO marketing and other stuff using PowerPoint. Bonus 6, mini site builder and niche domination. Bonus 7, WP instant delivery. Bonus 8, WP instant protect. Bonus 9, YouTube for business. Bonus 10, a fully ready to go WordPress bundle. Bonus 11, access to the Surefire Wealth Silver level pass. And bonus 12, 3 businesses in a box for you to sell. So, as I said, to get all these additional vendors bonuses, which are superb. You just need to send an email with the subject line vendors bonuses to contact@elitetigersgroup.org. And that's pretty much it, folks. As I said, I recommend you take as many of these upsells as you can because they're all great. Yeah. And to get my custom bonuses, crucially including this 3-hour Fiverr masterclass, yeah, all you need to do is click on any of these green buttons here. That will take you through to the page here. You just need to click on buy now, and then that will take you back to the members area at Warrior Plus, where you click on the green button to access your purchase and then click on the blue button to access your bonuses. And that is really it, folks. So I'm going to give this a 4.5 out of 5-star rating. I really like this product, and print on demand is really hot at the moment. So I know that you're going to succeed with this product, folks, if you decide to pick it up. So all that remains then for me is to thank you for watching and indeed listening to this review video. This has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Eazy Flyers Cartoon Edition.